Today we have a 2016 Kia Forte LX, 28,000 miles, clean auto check. Comes with a balance of factory warranty. Give you a look. It does have a nice chrome grille along with the chrome badging on the front. It's got the chrome housing on the headlights. And the alloy wheels. They are a 16-inch wheel, and you have Kendra tires. They're around half tread. You have integrated signals in the mirrors. So it has a two-tone interior, gray seating, black carpets. This has some chrome accent pieces around the stereo and on the doors. Pretty nice low-dollar fuel economy car. Back seat, there you have ample space for being a small car. Tires on the back are about the same as the front. Around the back, see the badging back here. You have a rear-mounted backup cam underneath your badging. Look up on the roof, you'll see the antenna for the satellite radio. Probably about the same on those tires. Give you a quick look at the interior. See, it has the power locks, windows, and mirrors on the door. Has your truck release and your fuel release on the floor. Here's your traction control and your interior lighting dimmer. And you have an economy button on there, which, if that's active, you get a little better fuel economy. And on the steering wheel, you have your audio controls. You have your Bluetooth voice activation, along with your cruise control, headlight controls, wipers. Show you the current mileage is 28,583. You have a nice little digital clock with the outside temperature setting up on the top of the dash. Come down a little bit, you have your CD slot. And you come down to your radio. All those settings. And your heating and air conditioning controls. Come down here, you have a nice deep cubby hole. You have a 12-volt power source. You have an auxiliary power source and a USB in there. You have your automatic gear shift selector. Double cup holders, emergency brake. You have a nice deep center console with a removable tray. Give you a look around a little bit. Like I say, it's a nice clean little car. We'll go ahead and take it under the hood and give you a look. It does have a 1.8-liter door overhead cam engine. Pretty good engine for this car. Get pretty good fuel economy with that. I wouldn't be surprised to get upwards of 40 miles per gallon on the highway. And like I say, it's also nice and clean under there. The last thing we're going to do is I am going to walk you around and we're going to see if we can pinpoint any blemishes on here. In case you're interested in coming out and taking a look, you'll know about them before you get here. There are a couple of scuffs. They've been buffed over on the passenger door and passenger rear door. There are a couple marks in the clear coat on the fender. They have been buffed over and sealed up. And the front bumper on the bottom, as you can see way down low on the fascia, there's a couple scrapes where somebody probably hooked a curb maybe. all in all, it's a nice little car. Like I said, it gets you pretty amazing fuel economy. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, give us a call, 717-485-4224, or you can look us up on the web at www.thomasata.com. Thank you.